Hey everybody, we're out here in sunny Fort Worth doing another roof replacement. It is a beautiful day for it. Now, as you all know, we've had a ton of storms this year in DFW, and if you're like a lot of homeowners, you didn't get the work done. Either you didn't want to bother with it, or you were just tired of all those opportunistic door knockers banging on your door going, hey, can I give you a free roof? Hey, totally get it, totally get it. But problem is, you still need the work done, and now we're coming up on the holidays, gift season, no one wants that big expense of a home improvement project. Well, we know that, and we don't ever want to let price or payment get in the way of you getting what your home deserves. That's why at Blue Nail Roofing, we offer financing options to fit any project and any budget. Some of those even include 12 to 18 months, no interest, same as cash financing. So you can get the roof that you need today, not have to pay for it till you get that tax refund in the spring. Pretty great, right? Just one of the many ways that we put the customer needs ahead of our own and make sure that you get what you need when you need it at Blue Nail Roofing. So check out BlueNail.com. We're happy to come inspect your home and talk about our financing options. BlueNail.com today. I'll see you in the next video.